Yeah, there's a little button back there. You want to push
it up.
There you go. Okay, so now this car comes equipped with an electric parking brake. There's no lever.
Oh, okay.
A lot of cars still have the levers, but most cars are now electric.
Yeah.
So you don't even have to think about it. Basically, every time you put it in park, it engages automatically. Red light comes on and the brakes are on.
So if you're on like a hill, do you even do that?
Anytime you put it in park.
So you don't have to worry about it.
Yeah.
That's nice.
But there's always a but. If you're using a car with an electric parking brake like this one for your road test, the examiner wants to see you pretend like you're pulling up on the lever. Just kind of say engage parking brake. I'll keep reminding you about that.
Sure.
It's just with the lever, it's less likely that you'll forget. You just forget because it's not there, right? So,
yeah.
Okay, so go ahead and put it back into drive, and we'll make a right turn out of your driveway.
So if I'm coming out of my driveway, would I do this? Or
Sure.
Just
Signal right. Yeah. So full right turn, you lock it up just like you did.
Can't really see.
Right.
So what should I do here?
Leaning forward, and you just poke the nose of your vehicle out there, so in case something is coming.
This curve's really big too.
A little bit.
Good.
Holy. I think we'll park on the road when we get back.
Yeah. Holy. Sorry about that.
No, it's not your fault. It's just the driveway. There's a little lip there.
Yeah.
No damage. We're gonna turn left here at the stop sign.
And how for potholes and everything? What should I do?
Try to let the potholes go between the tires.
Right.
If you can't, try to go around them.
And, for signaling right here, do I signal right when I stop, or should I signal early?
So the timing of the signal is about maybe a driveway or two before you stop.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll go through all of that. I just want to see you drive a little bit first.
Right now, for these, so can I go? I can roll a bit.
You can roll
just
out.
To make sure.
Yeah, making sure it's clear.
Okay.
Awesome.
Middle lane.
Right over. You can ignore that actually.
Really?
Yeah. When there's no traffic, you can just ignore it and you come right into your driving lane.
Oh, nice.
If there's traffic, then you get in there, you stop. It's like a holding zone.
You'd stop completely?
You'd stop completely, and then you just merge with any traffic if there is any. So the first little bit here, I'm just going to watch your drive, see where you're at, where I have to start with you, because everybody starts at a different level. So.
Yeah.
And then after that, we're going to start with the minor intersections, stop signs and yield signs.
Sure.
Where to stop, how long to stop for, who gets the rights of ways.
Right.
So I'm just getting a sense of how you drive, basically.
Sounds good.
I've been doing this a long time. Actually, I can tell right now that you're going to be fine. You're going to be fine. I'm watching for speed management.